Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Talia. Happy birthday to you. She's nodding then. She's dancing to it.
Alright, look about. Get on your perch. Get on your perch.
Hey, get on your perch.
Get on your
Come on.
perch. Good girl. Step up. Come on, step up. Good girl. Good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
There's the birthday girl.
Oh.
1 year old today.
Ooh.
Let's go see your presents.
Yay. Poop.
Whoa, that was a big one. So what have we got for the birthday girl?
Excitement. She's like, what is that? Oh my gosh.
Are you scared of it? This is your new birdhouse.
She's like, oh my
You
gosh,
like
it's
it?
foreign. What is it?
You're not scared of your bat, are you?
She's like, I don't know. It looks like a cage to me.
You'll be able to splash around in this, won't you? Alright, should we put the big scary bird bath away for now? What else you got?
What else is in the bag?
Right, let's see what we got for Talia. We have a new harness. Green one this time to match your feathers so you're not chewing it up every 2 seconds.
She's just looking at like, okay.
Unless you like the last one.
Yeah.
We got...
Ooh.
It's down there. A new parrot swing. A new swing for your cage.
She's like, yeah, that looks interesting. She's like, I don't know.
What's that funny?
She's like, it's colorful.
What's that? We have a Mimic Me.
Yay!
This thing, you can record your voice on it and it repeats to help teach the birds new phrases. Don't know how good it's going to work, but there's probably going to be a review of this coming up. And last but not least, I know you're going to like this one.
Oh, look. She's like, ooh, yeah, that one looks good. It's like, yeah.
You can have it after breakfast, okay? There's Talia modelling a new harness. Very cool. Hey, 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 don't chew it. Whee! You like your new swing?